In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize an invoice style in QuickBooks Online. Customizing your invoice is a simple way to make your brand look professional and keep important details clear for your customers. Let's walk through it together, step by step, so you know exactly where to click and what each option does. Start by going to the top left and selecting New, then choose Invoice. That opens a fresh invoice. Before you type anything in, look to the top right and click Manage. A panel will slide in from the right side of your screen. This is your control center for how the invoice looks and what information it shows. Inside this panel, open the Customization dropdown. Here, you can add or remove fields from your invoice. Think of this as choosing what your customer actually sees. If you need a purchase order number, a shipping address, or specific terms, you can turn those on. If you want to keep things clean, you can hide fields you don't use, like service dates or discounts. Remember, hiding a field doesn't delete your data. It simply keeps the invoice your customer receives focused on the essentials. Aim for clarity. Include what helps your customer understand the charges and how to pay, and leave out anything that could create confusion. Next, open the Design dropdown. This is where you set the style, font, and color. Pick a layout that matches your brand tone. Clean and simple usually reads best. Choose a font that's easy to read and a color that complements your logo or brand. But keep contrast in mind, so text remains legible when printed or viewed on different screens. As you make changes, you'll see the Invoice Preview update, which helps you fine-tune without guessing. Once you're happy with the look and the fields, continue by filling out the invoice as you normally would. Add your customer, date, items or services, quantities, rates, taxes, and any notes your customer needs. When everything is accurate, save and send as you prefer. Many people like to quickly review the PDF preview to make sure spacing and colors look good. That small check can prevent misunderstandings later. That's all. With just a few clicks, New, Invoice, Manage, then adjusting the customization and design options, you've created a polished, branded invoice. The best part is that QuickBooks Online will remember these choices, so future invoices can carry the same professional look with minimal effort. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sending invoices that look as good as your work.